It is always possible that, having given years of service, the elements of a production line can break, and that the replacement electronics are no longer in production and cannot be found. The Indramat ANAX family is a perfect example of this, featuring high-quality parts which are no longer being manufactured. When your costs are running but your machines are not, contact JC Electronics for a fast and cost-effective solution with a 12-month JC Electronics guarantee.
We hebben voor de Indramat ANAX Serie een testbestelling gemaakt omdat we steeds meer vragen kregen vanuit onze klanten. Om goed in te kunnen spelen op die behoeften hebben wij een testsysteem ontwikkeld die onze JC-kwaliteit waarborgt.
We can refurbish the broken part, taking it through the entire process of recovering, repairing and cleaning components before reassembling, thoroughly testing and returning to the client at new product performance level. JC Electronics, your uptime partner.